Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel.
This week we are going to be combining things that we've done in the two previous videos. So we are going to be doing a basic step with backward ocho and front ocho, how to combine and where to apply them.
But before that, please like this video and subscribe with notifications.
If you have any comment, please write it in the comments section below. We will do our best to reply every single comment.
So now let's go to the dance floor.
All right, now first of all we're going to show you what we are going to do and then we are going to break it in parts. So we're doing this side steps, backward ocho, backward ocho, backward ocho, re-embracing, cruzada into front ochos, wapam, papam, front ochos, resolving front, side, and feet together. So now, we're going to rotate so you can follow us. Ladies, follow Miriam. Leaders, follow me.
Good.
Leaders, we are doing this. Side step. 1. We're going to pull while we change body weight as we did in previous video. Side step, rotating, pulling with the right once she's in axis. Side step, she's in axis, now we can pull to our left, side step, she's in axis, pull to the right. All the details, you have it in previous video. Last one, side step, lifting, and we're going to proceed after we change body weight to the left. Walking outside, we are going to proceed to the cruzada. So we walk front with the right, front with the left, a little bit diagonal so she lands into the cruzada. Without changing body weight to your right, we're going to pull with the left shoulder for her to cross and uncross so we can start the front ocho, which is side step for us leaders, pulling front ocho, side, front ocho. We're going to do 2 more, side, front ocho, last one towards his left, towards our left, lifting, re-embracing, changing body weight, lowering the position a little bit, and proceed to the resolution, which is front, side, and feet together.
Good, let's do it for the followers now. Starting with the side step, right leg, pivoting for backward ocho. So I feel the lead from the upper body and then unwind the hips. Feet together, back ocho with my right, feet together, back with my left, 1 more ocho with the right, and from here we go to the cruzada, to the cross. Back with the left, back with the right, lifting to feel the cross, and he will lead now the front ocho, so uncross. Keep the feet together to start moving the right leg front, to the feet together to pivot, left, feet together to pivot, right, upper body first, and then pivot. Last one is your left. Keep this position to go to resolution. Don't transfer weight. I have my body weight on my left, going back with the right to resolve, feet together, side, and collect. One more time, we'll show you together so you can see the details. Side step, on feet together, I feel the lead to go for back ocho. 1 and 2, 3, 4 times in this case. Now he will align to the line of dance. Walking on my right side, we go into the cross, back, back, crossing. I have body weight on my right. Slowly when he leads, I change to the left and uncross, keeping the feet together. When he moves, I follow that front ocho, sliding the legs. I feel the pulling and then move the hips slowly. He will lift So we align that to resolution, back with my right, feet together, side, and collect.
Now let us rotate so you can see it from this side and you will see how the embrace works. So from here we are doing side step 1, leaders pull to the left. We can release a little bit the embrace so she's not too tight. 1 ocho, 2, pulling. Even though we are releasing the embrace, I'm making a big effort to keep the same distance with her, not getting apart. It can be close or apart, the embrace, the hand, but always keeping the same distance with my torso. Lifting, and I'm closing a little bit the embrace here, so it makes it much more easier, so she does not over-rotate by herself. Walking outside, pum pum, we can feet together, which is what we've been doing here, but since we are combining here, at the same time I'm pulling with my left, I will keep my right foot on the back. Let me show you. Back while I'm pulling. Just for the styling. It is not wrong to be here, but for the styling it's nice to do it here, on the back. Side, pull, side, pull. Pull with the right shoulder blade, remember that, not with your hand. Close the embrace, lift, rib cage up, change body weight, lower, soft on your knees, and resolution, side and feet together. Great, thank you for being all the way until here on the video. We would like to remind you that we have our online tango school, which is online tango training at miriamleonardotango.com. So if you go to the website, you will find all the details, so you can subscribe there and have unlimited access to all our videos, where we have a huge library.
Good, so now thank you so much and see you on the next videos. Goodbye.
Take care.